this whole racing side of things started because at HWM, we're the world's longest running Aston Martin dealers. And before HWM used to build racing cars, we took on Caterham last year, and my managing director walked up to me and asked if I wanted to do the Caterham Academy. And me doing this academy, I'd have to sell these packages to customers, so there's no better way to sell these than talk from experience. You can only join it if you're a novice driver, which builds this lovely camaraderie between all the drivers.
Sorry? No. They're for reading. I can't see any dials. I do it by sound.
It's a community of people that all have a passion for racing. And here we are. Hello, buddy.
All right, morning.
Yeah,
morning.
Morning. Do you mind being on camera?
Do you need a dodgy moustache, do you?
Number 24 is my race number. I was born on the 24th of June, so that was the thinking behind the 24. Battle scars, I guess you could say, from the racing. A few dents and stuff, that was from Cadwell Park, and then around the back of the car as well, it's got a bit of a dent at the back, and that was from someone kindly going into me at testing at Knock Hill. So, but that's racing for you. There are collisions. Morning. I know, the rain.
It's going to throw the cat amongst the pigeons.
Yes, yeah.
It's been really hot and dry all through the last couple of days, and all the preparations have been done for hot and dry. The forecast has been hot and dry, and here we are in the rain. And
It's
cold.
racing for you.
So I met Ollie because I thought I'd get into this racing. Rang up a bloke to buy a car, and he went, "Oh, I'm doing it as well, it's going to be brilliant, we'll have a lot of fun." So I bought a car off him, and we've been doing this racing ever since.
We won't be able to put it on the internet, certainly if you want to work again.
There's a few blokes like me who just think, gee, this sounds like a good idea. I don't know whether it was a good idea. That's good. It's good fun. It's good fun.
Oh, is it OnlyFans? All right, do you want me to get me kit on? Big O, look, see me moves. I'll even pay you, you know what I mean?
I am not hoping for a crazy race. I want a nice, happy race where I don't get killed, no one mashes my car, and I have a nice time. Which is how I've approached car racing.
Does duct tape affect the performance? Not noticeably, I would say. I'm getting huge amounts of enjoyment just helping him and supporting him this year, and it's been a hugely rewarding experience.
It's really nice having my father join me along this journey in the Academy series. He used to race Caterhams probably nearly 20 years ago now, when I was very much helping him at that stage. And now the roles have very much reversed. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, will be. Just give it the beans, but on the dry bit.
I'll do my best. The last moment before those lights go out is just pure focus. It feels like complete silence. You're just staring at those red lights, just waiting for them to go out.